Discover the NAB Show, the ultimate destination for media, entertainment and technology professionals. Explore innovation and connect with industry leaders right here in Las Vegas. Well, we're here with Makarand now from Wohler Technologies, and a very exciting year for Wohler, Makarand. How's the show going for you so far?
Yes, indeed. I mean, it's been surprisingly very busy. Given the current situation out there, that you are all aware of, we were kind of a little apprehensive, but it's been super. It's been quite busy. There's a lot of strong interest, and it's been a good show so far.
And just describe your position within the broadcast industry and the media industry right now.
So Wohler has been around for more than 40 years now, and we've been associated with broadcast signal monitoring. We're in the confidence monitoring part of the business. And over the years we've innovated, on the type of signals that we monitor, the kind of user interfaces that we provide, the kind of codecs that we support. So there's multiple dimensions in which we've sort of built a lot of trust with our customers over the years. And so I would say almost all major broadcasters across the world use a lot of Wohler. We've built a strong reputation in terms of being sort of user-friendly to use and extremely reliable. And so that's really what the brand is.
Yeah, they really trust you out there. And how do you keep up with all of the trends and all of the demands?
I mean, to be perfectly honest, we have a very sharp focus on our customers. And we tend to meet with them frequently. We tend to listen to them. We tend to let them guide us. Frequently, given the trust that we've built, they will share problems with us. And that's what basically drives a lot of our innovation. And just keeping in touch with the customer keeps you abreast of the problems that need solving. And so that's kind of our strategy in terms of keeping in the top of things.
I'd love you to talk about some of the products that you're showcasing here at NAB.
Indeed. So this year, recently we launched a really nice product called the IM Mix 8, which is an 8-channel unit which has got this beautiful touch interface along with tactile knobs. This is sort of a brand new sort of approach where the touch screen, is complemented with these rotary tactile knobs. It makes the product very easy to use, very fast, and it's ideally suited for production environments, for remote OB truck environments, and so ease of use, fast operations. So that's one product that we launched recently, and at this NAB we're launching the 12G version of the same product.
So always innovating.
Yes, absolutely. So, 12G is something that seems to be getting a lot of traction. And so we'd like to offer our customers more and more options around the 12G product. So to complement the IM Mix 8 12G, we also launched our IVAM 16, IVAM SUM 16 in a 12G version. So the IVAM SUM 16 is a very popular product. There's hundreds and hundreds of those out there. And so customers are now sort of pleased to see a 12G version of that product. This year we started what we call a teaser section, okay? And the teaser is products that we're working on, but expect to launch maybe in a quarter. So this year one of the nice products that I'd like to talk about is an MPEG monitor. So this monitor is an in-rack unit that can monitor SRT streams, MPEG transport streams, UDP streams, and this is something that the industry has sort of asked us for, so it's very customer driven, and we feel that this solves a very unique set of problems that customers have. A lot of customers, once they encode and are ready to distribute, don't necessarily have a good way to monitor what they're distributing. So this product I feel is going to do well, and this is something that the industry needs at this point. Coming to Maverick, you're absolutely right. We did launch Maverick, last year. In fact, at IBC last year, we won the Best of Show award for Maverick.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And then, and so what's happened over time is we've integrated more of our products to work friendly with Maverick, and the solution itself has matured. It's interesting. Internally we have these discussions where I say to the guys, there is an engineering proof of concept that demonstrates that the product works, and then there is a business proof of concept when somebody cuts you a check.
Exactly, and that's the most important one, isn't it?
And so we're happy to report that we actually have paying customers that have actually bought Maverick, and so that's what's helped us mature the product some more.
And tell us what the product actually does.
Indeed. So Maverick is remote monitoring that runs in the cloud with an option to deploy on-prem. So so the major broadcasters will not let their signals off their network, and so we have the signal part of the solution that runs on their internal networks. However, Maverick is basically a software application where we have, it's comprised of three components. You've got probes, so all our in-rack monitors can function as probes, and we have an open gear card now, which is basically a monitor on a card that can also function as a probe. These probes connect into this application in the cloud. These probes can be configured to fire alerts.
Yeah,
and
so important.
Yes, and so it enables our customers to sort of go to monitoring by exception rather than having to somebody stand in front of the unit. And things like the open gear card are well suited for remote locations where you might not have a person, but you'd like to get an alert in case something goes wrong.
That's right. You don't want to be firefighting. You want a little bit of advance notice. And I love the fact that you can basically use your smartphone to receive these alerts. Indeed.
So let me show you the the whole thing is complemented with a mobile app, and here's what that looks like, and here's what the alerts look like. And on here, in addition to the alerts, you can actually pull up the probe itself, and you can hear audio, you can see the video. You can, in fact, even view loudness,
incredible.
Measurements, and so this allows our customers who may be on the road to quickly pull things up and take a quick look. And then the nice thing is integrated into all of this is a conferencing app.
Right.
So you can quickly dial your colleagues and say that, hey, I saw this problem, is there something you'd like me to do? How can I help? Stuff like that. It sets up a very collaborative environment.
Genius, really.
And it helps drive quick resolution. And so our customers love these features, and they make extensive use of them. And like I said, the solution is now maturing. And we continue to add features, the kind of alerts you might want, or the type of probes, the type of signals that you can monitor. All of that is something which we intend to continue to.
So fast changing. Where do you go next then?
So we're seeing that customers are starting to tell us that, hey guys, you need to solve the monitoring problem, not just provide us with a box. And so they're saying that we have a range of monitoring problems that need solutions. And so Wohler is now evolving from being a box manufacturing company that solved a specific in-rack monitoring problem to being a company that provides customers solutions that have a heavy dose of software, that have cloud applications, there are more mobile applications. And we work closely with our customers to understand their challenges. I mean, I'll give you an example. It seems almost extremely unusual, but we had a customer that said to us that she builds infrastructure for stadiums, large stadiums, football stadiums. Yeah. And her point is that when I've got my infrastructure up and running, I'd like to know if a camera is live. And so she says, I walk down the stadium, I pull up my mobile app, and I turn on that camera. If I see myself, I know
Bingo.
The camera works.
That is genius. Honestly, it's mind-blowing and it's incredible. The interest on the stand is great too. Makarand, congratulations and
Indeed.
Good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you so much.